In this video, I want to show you how to delete your watch history from TikTok to free space on your mobile phone. This is very important because for one reason or the other, TikTok saves all the videos you have watched in the last 180 days, and this consumes a lot of space on your phone. So to delete it, open your TikTok app. So when your TikTok opens, come to this search and search dots and click on search. So when it opens, come to this view your watch history, click on it. This will bring all your view history, all the video you have ever watched. Then come to these three dots, click on it and click on select. When you click on select, come down here and click on select all watch history. Then it has selected all, click on delete. Then you see delete watch history from the past 180 days. You can see here they say that they will continue to keep your watch history data for some time to optimize your experience on TikTok. Since it occupies space and we want to free it, click on delete. You can see all watch history has been deleted, and as a result of this you have free space and your phone will watch more efficiently. So this is how to delete your watch history from TikTok and free space on your phone. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel so that we can give you more tips. Thank you for watching.